Welcome you all with new interesting video. Video discussing essential rules for safe and responsible trekking. Breathtaking mountain landscape with a group of trekkers setting out on a trail. Welcome to our guide on essential rules for safe and responsible trekking. Close-up of a hiker's gear being laid out. Trekking is an exhilarating way to connect with nature and challenge yourself. However, it's important to follow certain rules to ensure a memorable and safe experience. Rule 1. Plan ahead. Trekkers studying a trail map. Narrator, VO, before you hit the trail, plan your route and duration carefully. Research the terrain, weather conditions, and difficulty level of the trail. Hiker packing essentials. Make sure to inform someone about your trekking plans and estimated return time, especially if you're going alone. Rule 2. Pack wisely. Close-up shots of trekking gear being packed. Pack essential items like a first aid kit, sufficient water, high-energy snacks, navigation tools, and appropriate clothing. Group of trekkers checking their backpacks. Remember, lighter packs lead to a more comfortable and enjoyable trek. Rule 3. Leave no trace. Close-up shots of trekkers picking up trash along the trail. Responsible trekking means leaving nature as you found it. Pack out all your trash and avoid disturbing wildlife. Trekkers walking on marked trails. Stick to designated trails to prevent soil erosion and damage to delicate ecosystems. Rule 4. Respect local culture. Trekkers interacting with local villagers. When trekking in different regions, respect local customs and traditions. Seek permission before entering private land and interact with local communities with humility. Trekkers learning about local customs. Your actions can leave a lasting impression, so be a responsible and positive ambassador. Rule 5. Safety first. Trekkers crossing a river. Your safety is paramount. Be cautious when crossing rivers, climbing steep sections, or navigating tricky terrain. Trekkers wearing safety gear. Carry a map, compass, or GPS device, and know how to use them. Also, familiarize yourself with basic first aid before going to next. Make sure to press the subscribe button. Rule 6. Camping etiquette. campsite with tents pitched. If camping overnight, choose established campsites whenever possible. Keep noise levels down and avoid disturbing other trekkers. Trekkers cooking food. Use a camp stove instead of making open fires, as they can damage the environment and pose a fire hazard. Rule 7. Preserve flora and fauna. Close-up shots of colorful flora. Enjoy the beauty of nature, but don't disturb it. Avoid picking plants, and keep a respectful distance from wildlife. Trekkers observing animals from a distance. Wild animals can be unpredictable, so maintain a safe distance to prevent harm to both you and them. Trekkers reaching a summit with panoramic views. Trekking is a wonderful way to explore the great outdoors. By following these rules, you'll help preserve the environment, ensure your safety, and make lasting memories. Safe and responsible trekking. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Happy trekking! If you want to feel the experience I mentioned the website in my profile, go and enjoy the offbeat trekking of Kashmir. Like, comment and share. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.